So you got a V because second index V is there. Okay, like so. Next one, charArray. So what this will do? Convert the character string. Convert the string into character array. So return type character array. So character array C array equal to S dot to char array. So how can you print the array?
Length of the array, length of the character using for loop or for each.
Yeah. For loop or for each loop. So iterate or print array elements. So for each loop, let me use. So what is the data type? Char. So the variable name you can put anything. So C colon CA array, the array name. C represent the each element. So out dot print method and C. So you can bring the cursor to next line. Dot out dot print ln. Okay. So that's it. The toChar array purpose. Now, next method. So the next method is concat. So you have to give for concat method string. So joins two strings. Okay, and get a return new string. So the return type also new string. So we want. So I'll put string s1 equal to s dot concat selenium. So if you want, just print the value, s1 value. S1 value is plus S1. Next, just execute this method. See, it is so Java Selenium. Why it printed Java? Okay, we have given characters right here. Print ln you have to use, or you give space between each character. That's what I got. Why you're getting again? So this one. Next. And you can see here Java Selenium, you got it. Next, there are two uppercase. So two uppercase method converts the given string into uppercase. So returns string object. Again, string. So S2 equal to S1 dot to uppercase. So it will convert the S1 into uppercase. So S1 is converted into uppercase. S2. Next, if you want to execute, just see that execution. So it's all converted into uppercase letter. So there is a method, two lowercase method. Two lowercase method. What it does, converts the uppercase letters into lowercase. Returns string object. String S3 equal to S2 dot to lowercase. And you can just print this value. S2 is converted into lowercase. S3. Okay. So execute that. All more methods in the string class other than nothing. If you know these methods, string programs are easy. So remember that. If you know the string methods, solving the string programs is easy because you have to use these methods only in the step by step. That's why you should learn each method first. Practice more number of times, then that will help you. Next method. So Boolean commands. Let's go and see the Boolean commands. Some Boolean commands. We'll write the Boolean commands. So how Boolean commands are going to work out. See, there is a isEmpty method. Checks whether given string is empty or not. So Boolean b equal to s dot is empty. There is blank also. Both returns a Boolean value is empty. So now we will get a true or false.
False.
isEmpty method. Next. Contains method. So contains string str. So checks main string contains checks main string contains the given string. So returns Boolean value. So Boolean b1 equal to s1 dot contains yes. S1 contains S or no? Hmm? S1 contains yes. Checked with contains method. That is B2. B1. Not B2, right? B1. Next. So equals method. So object, the syntax is object to obj. So it accepts any object and checks because this method is overridden in the string class. But the main parent class, what is the parent class method? Where is this equals method is available?
String class.
String is not parent, madam. Just now I'm telling method overriding happened here. What is mean by method overriding, first of all?
The same equals method was available, and we are like the same method equals was available in overriding in the parent class.
What is that parent class?
In java.io.
Java.io.
In
Okay.
in another
So this
package.
will compare basically. This method is available in the object class. That's a parent class. Object is the parent class.
Super class. Okay.
Even object is the super class for all the Java classes.
Okay.
For every Java class, the super class is object only.
Object. Got it.
So in this object class, this equals method is there. First they defined any object you can compare in the object class equals method. But in the string class equals method, what they overwrite here is it will compare the contents of two strings only, not objects. Okay. So be clear on the how they override here. What they override, same method they used in the string class, but what they did a functionality extra comparison only, but strings comparison. They did a strings comparison. Got it? Equals method is overridden in the string class. So anybody ask for example for overriding, method overriding, give me some methods for method overriding. You can tell this equals method is overridden string class. Equals method is overridden in string class. Okay. So now I want to compare two strings. So Boolean B2 equal to S1 dot equals S2. Using equals method. B. Okay. So now you can check that. So we haven't run, right? Let's go and run the program. So long time we didn't run the program. See that. So it is bigger capital letters converted into lowercase by lowercase method to lowercase method. Java is empty, no, false. So Java Selenium contains Java, yes, true. Java Selenium is compared with the Java Selenium using equals method, returns false. Why both are same, right? The content is same, right? Same or no? Same or no?
Same.
Then why it is returning false?
We didn't give an intern.
Intern. All are so we created with
New
literals only. We didn't create
literals.
with a new keyword, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Then why? What is the reason? Understand here. So now I am comparing S1 with S3, right? Result is B3. Okay. Now check that. What is happening? Understand here. So here what is happening? Java Selenium is compared with Java Selenium. And it is returning false. But Java Selenium is compared with the Java Selenium. It is returning true. Then what is the difference?
Case also is it checking? Like,
Different, right? Uppercase is different, lowercase is. The characters in the ASCII table I have shown you. You remember?
Yeah.
Both are different, not same. So that's why both are not same. Now here you see this is also lowercase, this is also lowercase. That's why we are getting it true. Okay. Now, so there is another method equals ignore case method. So what it will do? It
Even
also
either
compares,
capital or small letters, either the same letter was there or not. Maybe it will check like that, Ramesh.
compares the both string content. Okay, both string content it will compare, but ignores the cases and returns Boolean value. So what is mean by this? Ignores the cases means what? Compares the same character is there or not. It doesn't matter. It's upper or lower. It doesn't matter for this method. But for this method, it's matter. Everything should be same in both the strings. Here, if it is one string has lower and upper, and it doesn't matter. So see that same you can do here. Boolean before, right? Before equal to s1 dot equals ignore case s2. Now see that. Using equals ignore case method. That's the difference between equals and equals ignore case. See what happened? There's something mistake. S1 compared with S2 using equals result. Okay, I didn't change the variable. What is this variable? B4, right? But what I kept? B2. That's the reason. You have to change your variables. Now see that. You got it true. Even the uppercase, you got it true. So that's the equals ignore case and equals method. So any questions? Starts with. So your string prefix, okay, you have to give prefix. Prefix means what? Beginning one, right? If your string starts with the prefix value, returns true, else false. Let's see this. Boolean B5 equal to S1 dot starts with S. So what is S1 value? What is S1 value?
Java CD.
Yes, using startsWith method. B5. So S1 value is a Java Selenium. And what is S value? Java. Is it starting with Java or not?
Yeah.
So that's why you will get a true here. Similar, we have endsWith. Can take it back. Similar, endsWith. Let me endsWith. If you're this is the suffix. Okay, suffix. If your string ends with suffix, suffix value returns, then returns true. Then you need to put, then returns true, else returns false. So you have to use here ends with. So I have to put here select basics. See, I'm writing multiple places this. Then instead of that, you can create one variable. Okay, right? So here, Selenium using endsWith. So B6. So now run this. See this? So starts with Java. That's why true. Java Selenium is ends with the Selenium. That's why true. See, this is the ending, right? Ending part is with Selenium only. That's why true you're getting. So this is the starts with, ends with. Mostly you will use equals, contains. These are the methods you will use widely. And Boolean commands we completed. So we'll see tomorrow rest of the methods. Okay.